Aiming for top PG programs or that dream PSU job? Then GATE 2026 is your gateway, and we have got the ultimate key. Presenting the all-new GATE 2026 General Aptitude Guide, your complete prep partner. This book includes complete coverage, master every concept in the General Aptitude section with crystal clear explanations, practice driven learning, exercises after every topic to cement your understanding, MCQs in NTQ Bank, tackle tricky questions with our curated question bank, real exam papers, solved papers from 2022 to 2025 to give you that real exam edge. Now, why should you choose this guide? Because of the structured content that keeps you focused, detailed explanations that build confidence, tons of practice to make you exam ready, not just book smart. This guide won't just help you prepare, it will make you GATE ready. GATE 2026 General Aptitude Guide. Grab your copy now and get one step closer to your GATE dream. Available online and at all major bookstores. Let's make GATE 2026 your success story.